Parts of a compound microscope. Microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. This instrument has several parts. Let us familiarize the different parts of the microscope. Eyepiece. This is the part of the microscope closest to your eyes through which you look. It contains the ocular lens, which makes the image produced by the objectives larger. Eyepiece may be labeled with its magnification or power. For example, 5x or 10x, which means it enlarges 5 times or 10 times. Base of the microscope. This is the heavy bottom part. It supports all the other parts of the microscope. Body tube. The body tube may be straight up and down or slanted. The arm. It is the curved metal piece that holds the body tube in place over the stage and the base. Objective lenses. These are the parts at the bottom of the body tube closest to the sample you are examining. Each objective has lens and a tube-like holder, the mount. The longer mount holds the stronger lens, that is 10x, and the smaller mount 5x holds the weaker lens. Microscope has several objectives. Microscope in which more than one lens used is called compound microscope. The revolving nose piece. It holds the objectives and allows you to change while looking at a slide or sample. The stage. The stage is the flat surface on which you put your slides or samples. Stage clips. This holds the slide in plate on the stage. Mirror. It is located beneath the stage, increases the amount of light shining through the condenser to your sample or slide. Condenser. Microscope has a condenser having standard diameter of 39.5 mm, which collects and concentrates the light which passes through the sample. Coarse adjustment knob. It is used to adjust the position of the body tube, allowing you to quickly bring your sample slide in the view. Fine adjustment knob. This is a small knob used to change the position of the body tube for making small adjustments of your sample. Substage adjustment knob. This is used to move condenser up and down.